Friends, do you really want to speak English fluently? Do you really want to speak English powerfully? Do you have that passion to speak English? Are you really passionate about speaking English? Then this video will help you a lot, because three methods have been told in this video, have been suggested in this video. So watch this video till the end, don't skip it. So let's begin. So what you need to do to speak English fluently, powerfully, you need to do the following things. Three things: read, write and speak. Read, write and speak. These are three processes of learning any language. So now what you will do, what you will read. So you have to read English newspaper. Okay, get any English newspaper and read it out. Read and get the meaning, get the news and get your views. Okay, so get the news and get your views. I mean to say, get the clarity and understand the news. Okay, so you will find problems, you will have problems in understanding. So that time what you need to do, you just go to Google and clarify all your doubts. You can get the meaning through Google Translator feature. Okay, so get the meaning and understand the news clearly. Okay, so read it. Now write it. Second, write. What you will write? So you need to write daily. You have to write at least 3 to 4 pages. So what you will write then? You will write you are interested in the subject, whatever you are interested in, you can write it down. Okay, suppose you are interested in writing your own diary about your day-to-day activity, your own diary making, you can do that. Or else you can do you can write any editorial things. Okay, any article you can write. You can write about your role model. You can write about any actor, or you can write a story. You must have watched many movies, so you can write the story about your favorite movie. Okay, so write these things in English. Now the third, you need to speak. So what you will speak, with whom you will speak. So this is very difficult, because you are staying in Hindi culture, so you will not get the opportunity to speak English. So that time, then what you need to do, you need to talk to yourself. You are definitely having some thoughts many times. So whenever thoughts are coming to your mind, you think in English, make your thoughts in English. So this is also a way to speak to yourself. You are speaking to yourself. Okay, so you do it on regular basis and it will become your habit to think in English. Your thoughts will come automatically in English. So these are three things which I have suggested you: read, write and speak, and the process I have told you. So follow these three methods and you can definitely speak English. Thank you.